Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my cat's favorite food. So when I adopted her from the shelter, they were like, make sure that you purchase a brand that's well established. So they had suggested Purina and Iams, and Fancy Feast is one of the Purina brands. So I've been feeding this to her along with a couple other brands of food since I got her, and she absolutely loves this one the best. She like basically begs for it. Right, Penny? You're waiting for your dinner, right? Yeah, she's waiting for dinner. So I started ordering this online because it's just easier than like having to always carry, when I go grocery shopping, to have to like carry this around along with her litter. It just gets heavy after a while. So I buy like the 30 can pack at a time. So this is the Fancy Feast poultry and beef classic pate. I try to just like buy these for her rather than anything with fish, because fish seems to just upset her stomach, although she really likes it. I'd rather give her something that's not going to bother her and upset her and make her throw up, God forbid. So the label on here: 100% complete and balanced nutrition for adult cats. And there are 30 cans in the pack, so they give you 10 of each. So they give you the tender liver and chicken feast classic pate, turkey and giblets feast classic pate, and then tender beef and chicken feast classic pate. She's 4 years old, so she's definitely considered an adult cat. So I just try to switch this up with her. Like, I'll give her wet food, and then the dry food, I don't know what it is, but she like doesn't chew dry food. So sometimes when I give her dry, she tends to like eat it and then like 2 seconds later throw it up, because she's just not like chewing it properly, because it'll be like the whole food as if like she didn't even eat it, like as if she didn't even chew it. So this, I think, is just the easiest for her to eat, rather than, I know they make like flaked food and stuff like that. With the flaked food, it's kind of the same thing. Like, she won't really chew it or digest it. I think that the pate seems to just be the easiest thing for her to be able to eat and digest. So I've been giving this to her since I got her, and I got her, it'll be a year in December, and we're in August right now, so a little under a year. So it comes in this convenient box, and I just open it up, and as you could see, like, obviously I'm going to go through this real quick in less than a month, but you could see that best before May 2020, and I just ordered it, so I have like a good amount of time before they would expire or anything. All the cans are like, I feel like they're like a little bit on the smaller side compared to some other brands out there. Like, these are 3 ounces in each can. I think on the directions, what does it say? I think on the directions it tells you to give like at least a can a day, but I just give my cat like a scoop at a time, because she tends to just overeat, and then if she overeats and then she eats too quick, and then she'll end up throwing it out, and I don't want that. So I just end up giving her a scoop at a time. Then I'll wait a little bit and I'll give her another scoop. So see here, like what's in here: crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, moisture, ash. It's 3% ash. I think that's not as bad as some other brands out there. Like, I think that's on like the low side for ash. You have to watch out that you're giving your cat something with a low ash content. That's what the vet and that's what the shelter told me when I had adopted her. Ingredients: chicken broth, liver, meat byproducts, chicken, fish, artificial and natural flavors. Not crazy about the artificial part over there. So on and so forth. Vitamins: vitamin B1, vitamin E supplement, niacin, vitamin B3, calcium. What else is on here? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, biotin, folic acid. So, I mean, they are like a really well-established brand. So here's the instructions. Feed an average size adult cat 1 can for 3 to 3.5 pounds of body weight daily. So she's 9 pounds. So that would be like 3 cans a day. That's too much. She would definitely get sick on that. Feed up to twice this amount to kittens. Yes, kittens definitely eat more. Just because of my cat, I'll just, I try to not overfeed her because she gets sick. So I'll probably go through like at least a can to a can and a half a day with her, and then I also give her some dry food, and I'll give her treats in between. She hears the can opening. She's getting very excited. Okay, so I got it out of the can, so I just put a little scoop in here for her. I try to just break it up, like, or just pat it down a little bit and just make it easier for her to just be able to eat it really quick. Hear her? She's getting very excited about this. Right, Penny, aren't you? Dinner time. And then just make sure the unused portion you refrigerate, and then I'll give her that for breakfast in the morning. And I just make sure before I give it to her, I let it sit out for a little bit. So it's room temperature. I don't want it to be cold when she's eating it, although she really doesn't mind either way, but I don't want to give her cold food. Room temperature is best. Right, Penny? She gets so excited. She loves this. It's her favorite. She probably won't even pick her head up for even a second, just to even, look up. Right, Penny? You're too ingrained in your food. So yeah, you can see I gave her like almost half the can. Just giving it to her in baby portions just to make sure she doesn't eat too quickly. Give her time to digest. So yeah, that's Fancy Feast, the 30 can pack, poultry and beef classic pate collection. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope your cat loves it. Have a good one, guys.